All of you, in the previous class, we have discussed about the vectors. We are solving some questions of board examination related to vectors. Now, the same class we will continue, take several questions and we will solve it. First question is, if a plus b plus c, if vector a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then prove that a cross b is equal to b cross c is equal to c cross a. We have to prove that a cross b is equal to b cross c is equal to c cross a. Okay? Now take first a plus b plus c is equal to 0. What we will do first? We will send this is minus c to the right hand side. Now take cross multiplication with vector b, both sides. What we get? A plus b cross multiplication b minus c cross multiplication b. Okay? What will we get here? A cross b plus b cross b is equal to, we write b cross c, and you know the cross product of the same vector is 0, so we write at the place of this is 0. So a cross b is equal to b cross c. This is our first part. Now again we will take this, okay, and taking the cross product cross multiplication with c, both sides. So let again a plus b plus c is equal to 0. We write a plus b is equal to minus c. Now multiply both sides. A plus b multiplied by c. Okay. So here is a mistake that we have to, now we will send this a to the left hand side, minus a. Now take the cross product with c both sides. So b plus c multiplied by c, this will be minus a into c. Okay, now we get b cross c plus c cross c is equal to, we write c cross a. The negative sign will change in positive sign. We write for b cross c plus this will be 0 and here c cross a. So we write b cross c is equal to c cross a. So this is our second term. Now look at first and second. From first and second we can say that a cross b is equal to b cross c is equal to c cross a. In this way we can prove that. So first we will take this term and first we will send side and right hand side to the c vector c. It will be minus c. Now cross multiplication of b to the both side. We get a cross b plus b cross b is equal to b cross c. Okay. Now this term will be 0. We know the property of cross product that the same vector, if you are multiplying to the same vector, we get 0. So we write here 0. A cross B is equal to B cross C. This is equation first. Again take this term is equal to 0. So B plus C is equal to minus A. Now again taking the cross multiplication with C both sides. So we get B plus C cross multiplied by C is equal to minus A into C. We write C cross A. So B cross C plus C cross A, and this term will be again 0. So we get B cross C is equal to C cross A. This is first and second term. Now we get what? A cross B, B cross C, C cross A. Okay? I hope you understand. Next question. The next question is if A plus B plus C is equal to 0, if A plus B plus C is equal to 0 and the modulus of A is 3, modulus of B is 5 and C is 7, then so that the angle between A and B is 60 degree. We have to show that our theta will be what? 60 degree. Okay? So first what we will do? We will send again A plus the vector C to the right hand side. Okay? And we will take the square and one by one we see let first A plus B and this is minus C. Now squaring. We get whole square. Okay. Now what we will do here? A square B square plus 2A dot B is equal to vector C square. Okay. Now we have to given the value of A, B and C. We put it. So put A is 3 square, 5 square, 2. This A dot B, we can write modulus of A, modulus of B cos theta is equal to C 7 square. So 9 plus 25, 2 into 3 into 5 cos theta is equal to 49. 30 cos theta is equal to what? 49 minus 34. So we get 5, 1 and 30 cos theta. So cos theta will be what? 15 by 30. So we get 1 by 2. So cos theta is equal to cos 60. Okay. So theta will be what? 60 degree. Okay, no doubt. What we have done, we have first sent this C to the right hand side, squaring. We get A square, B square, 2AB, and this is C square. And the value of modulus A, modulus B is and C is 3, 5, 7. So we write for 9, 25 and this is 30 cos theta is 49. So send to the right hand side, we get 50. So cos theta is then 1 by 2. So theta is equal to 60 we get. Okay, now let's see the next question. next question is if A plus B plus C is equal to 0, then we have to find A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot A is equal to question mark. Okay, so first let A plus B is equal to minus C. Now squaring both sides, and in the question we have to divide A, B, C are unit vector. A, B, C are unit vector. It means that the value of this is 1, this is 1 and 1. Because we have to given A, B, C are unit vector. Now squaring we get plus B, A plus B, and here C dot C. Okay, so what we get? A square B square 2A dot B is equal to this is C square. Now this A square is 1, B square is 1, and 2A dot B, this is also 1, so it will be cancelled. So A dot B will be what? Minus 1 by 2. Similarly, we write B dot C is equal to minus 1 by 2. C dot A is equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay. Now add this term. A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot A is equal to minus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2. Okay. So it will be our answer. What we have done? We have to give A plus B plus C is equal to 0. So we send this C to the right hand side, squaring, we get A plus B, C dot C, A square, B square, 2A dot B, and end of C square. So this will be cancelled. 1 plus 2A dot B is equal to, okay, so A dot B is equal to minus 1 by 2 we get. Now, similarly B dot C is equal to minus 1 by 2, C dot A is equal to minus 1 by 2. Adding these three, we get minus 3 by 2. Now we will see the next question. So next question is we will see the next question. The next question is if vector A is equal to I plus J plus K and vector B is equal to J minus K. Okay. Then find the vector C. We have to find the vector C such that A cross C is equal to vector B and A dot C is equal to 3. Okay? We have to give a vector A and a vector B, and we have to find the vector C. What will be vector C? In which A cross C is equal to B and A dot C is equal to 3. So first we let vector C is equal to C1i plus C2j plus C3k. Okay? First we let this vector C1i plus C2j plus C3k is vector C. Now we apply in this condition. What is A cross C? A cross C will be I, J, K and A cross C. 1, 1, 1, C1, C2, C3. So we can find our A cross C, which is equal to vector B. So let what will be, take I. So the first column and first row will be disappear. We consider only. So it will be C3 minus C2 minus J. Again disappear. So we write C3 minus C1 plus K. Again, so we write C2 minus C1 is equal to vector B is J minus K. Now, what we will do? We will compare both sides. We get C3 minus C2 is 0 and C3 minus C1 is equal to minus 1. C2 minus C1 is minus 1. After comparing both sides, we get what? C3 minus C2 is 0 and C3 minus C1 is 1 minus 1 and C2 minus C1 is minus 1. Now this is first condition. Now we have to give it another condition. A dot C is 3. So we again apply A dot C is 3. So vector A is I plus J plus K and C is C1I plus C2J plus C3 K is equal to 3. Now take the dot product of these. C1 plus C2 plus C3 is equal to 3. Okay. Now this is equation 1, 2, 3 and 4. We will put the value of C1, C2, C3. We will find the value C1, C2, C3 from these equations. Okay, let us start from 1. We get C3 is equal to C2. Okay. Now from 2 we put C3, C2 minus C1 is minus 1 and okay. Now we use in fourth equation. We get C1 plus C2 plus C2 is equal to 3. Okay. So C1 plus C2 plus C3, C1 plus 2, C2 is equal to C3. Now C1 minus C2 is equal to 1. So that C1 minus C2 is equal to 1. We get minus plus minus 1 will be cancelled. 3, C2 is equal to 2. Now C2 is equal to 2 by 3. So C2 is 2 by 3. So C3 will be, this will be also equal to C3. Now C1, C2 minus C1 is minus 1. So C2 is 2 by 3 plus 1 is equal to C1. So 5 by 3 is C1. Okay. In this way we can find our C1 is 5 by 3 and C2 is 2 by 3. So C2 is 2 by 3 and C3 is 2 by 3 and C1 is 5 by 3. So we get vector C will be what? So vector C will be 5 by 3i plus 2 by 3j plus 2 by 3k. Okay. In this way we can find our vector C. Okay, what we have done? We have to given vector A, B and C. We have to find C. And the given condition on A cross C is B and A dot C is what? 3. So let C is C1i, C2 is C3k. So we have given condition A cross C is B. So we have put the value of A and C here. Find that this condition and which is equal to J minus K, which is equal to B. So C3 we are comparing both sides. We get this question first, second, third. Now our second condition is A dot C is equal to 3. So in this case we will put A and C and get the condition C1, C2, C3 is 3. Now using 1, 2, 3 and 4 we get what? Value of C1, C2 and C3. And the value of C1, C2, C3 we will put in the vector C, which is C1i, C2j, C3k, and this will be our required result. Okay. Now we will see the next question. Our next question is our next question is vector A, if vector A is equal to I minus j and vector B is equal to 3i minus k and vector C is equal to 7i minus k. Then find the vector D. Find the vector D which is perpendicular to both A and B, and the condition C dot D. And the condition C dot D is 1. Okay. Now we have to given A vector B, vector C, and says that we find a vector D which is perpendicular to both A and B. So our vector D is perpendicular to both vector A and B. Okay. So we write vector D is equal to what? Lambda multiplied by A cross B. So it will be our vector D. Okay. Now, so we write what? Since D is perpendicular to vector A and B, so we write our vector D is equal to lambda vector A cross B. Okay? If D is perpendicular to vector A and B, so we write vector D is lambda A cross B. Now find the value of A cross B. Okay? Now lambda, this is I, J and K, and our vector A is 1, -1, 0, and K, vector B is 3, 0, -1, so lambda, and this is I taking outside, it will be 1 minus 0, J, it will be -1 minus 0, plus K, it will be 0 plus 3. Now lambda, this is I, minus plus J plus 3K. So vector D is I lambda I plus J plus 3K. It is our vector D. Now we have to given the condition C dot D is equal to 1. So we will put here vector C and D, and taking the dot product both, we get what? The value of lambda. So let C dot D is equal to 1. Our vector C is 7i plus 0j minus k, and this is I plus j plus 3k into lambda is 1. Multiply this, we get 7 plus 0 minus 3, lambda is 1. So here 4 lambda is 1. So lambda is equal to 1 by 4. We are getting our lambda is 1 by 4. Okay. So lambda is 1 by 4. Now we put this lambda in the vector D. Okay. So vector D is equal to lambda I plus j plus 3k, and lambda is 1 by 4. So we write A I plus j plus 3k, and so vector D will be this 1 by 4i, 1 by 4j, 1 by 3 by 4k. So our vector D will be 1 by 4i and 4j, 1 by 4j plus 3 by 4k. So in this way we have find our vector D. What we have done? A is this, B is this, C is this, and C dot D is 1. Okay. Now our vector D is perpendicular to vector A and B. So vector D is what? Lambda A cross B. Okay. Now lambda, our A cross B is ijk. Vector A, vector B, we have put the value, and find the vector D, which is lambda I plus j plus 3k. Okay. Now we have to give another condition here. C dot D is 1. So put the value of vector C and D. We know the C is this, and vector D we have find just here. We write this is equal to 1. Now taking dot product, we know 7 I dot I 1 0 and minus 1 into 3 minus 3, lambda is 1. So 7 minus 3 4 lambda is 1. So lambda is 1 by 4. Okay, lambda is 1 by 4. So vector D will be, we put the value of lambda here 1 by 4. So we get vector D is 1 by 4i, 1 by 4j, that's what 3 by 4k. Okay, I think I hope you understand this better. So thank you.